In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my order ID in PayPal. To get started, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to the PayPal website in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email or profile for payments. Once you're in, the goal is to locate the payment connected to the purchase you want to review. After signing in, go to your activity page, which may also be labeled as transaction history depending on the version of PayPal you're using. This section shows a list of your recent payments, purchases, and account activity. If needed, you can scroll through the list to find the specific transaction you're looking for. It helps to remember the approximate date, merchant name, or payment amount so you can find it more quickly. Next, select the payment or purchase you want to review. This will open a more detailed view of that transaction. On some screens, you may need to click into the transaction first and then expand the details if they aren't immediately visible. From there, scroll through the transaction details carefully. You're looking for information such as the order ID, invoice ID, or a section labeled transaction details. Depending on the seller and how the payment was processed, the exact wording may vary slightly. In some cases, the order ID is clearly listed. In others, you might only see an invoice reference or another identifying number tied to the purchase. If you find the order ID, go ahead and copy it. This is useful if you need to contact customer support, confirm a purchase, track an order with a merchant, or provide proof of payment. Copying it exactly as shown helps avoid errors later. If you don't see an order ID in the transaction details, don't worry. Not every PayPal transaction displays one in the same place. In that case, check your payment confirmation email, since merchants sometimes include the order reference there instead of inside PayPal. You can also contact the merchant directly and provide the transaction information shown in your PayPal account so they can help identify the order. As you move through the account, you may also see a personal section in the menu or navigation area. If that appears, click Personal to continue viewing your individual account information and payment activity. Depending on the layout of the site, you may need to click Personal more than once while navigating between sections, and that's how to find your order ID in PayPal quickly and easily.